Welcome to today's exploration of popular English idioms, where we're diving into the phrase, off the hook. Let's unpack its meaning, origins, and see it in action. The idiom off the hook means freed from a responsibility or a difficult situation. It paints a picture of relief, similar to a fish escaping from a fishing hook. Originally, this phrase was quite literal, related to fishing. Over time, it evolved in usage to describe escaping obligations or trouble in everyday life. Interestingly, off the hook also found a place in the telecommunication world. In the early days of telephones, receivers hung on hooks. Being off the hook meant the line was busy. Now, let's see how this idiom works in everyday language. Imagine you had a big presentation due, but it's been postponed. You might say, "I'm off the hook for now." Or consider a scenario where you were supposed to help a friend move this weekend, but they canceled. You could express your relief by saying, "Looks like I'm off the hook." It's also common in situations of accountability. If someone else admitted to a mistake you were blamed for, you're effectively off the hook. In a more lighthearted example, say your mom expected you to cook dinner, but then decides to order pizza. You might cheerfully note, "I'm off the hook for cooking tonight." Lastly, in the world of sports, a player might be off the hook if another teammate's performance overshadows a mistake they made during the game. Off the hook is versatile, applicable in various situations where relief from duty or trouble is involved. It's a vivid expression that captures the essence of escape and freedom. Next time you find yourself freed from an obligation, you might just find the perfect opportunity to say you're off the hook. Thanks for tuning in, and explore more idioms with us next time.